everyone, welcome back to PW IELTS and TOEFL Prep. I'm Divya Dagar, your speaking master. Well, in this particular video lecture, I am going to give you very simple yet very powerful strategy that will help you to master your speaking part 1, part 2 and part 3. Yes, you heard it right. This speaking code will not only help you to master your speaking part 1, but this will also help you to develop your answer for part 2 and part 3, that too naturally. So before I take you ahead, I would like to ask you something. Tell me, are you the one who is, no matter how much work you have done, no matter how many vocabularies you have learned, no matter how many grammar classes you have taken, and how many AI practice or mirror practice you have done, but still your score got stuck to 6.5? Yes? If yes, then this video is specifically for you, because in this video, I am going to teach you the code strategies which will definitely help you to master, your answers. This will definitely help you to. In this video, I'm going to teach you the speaking code which will definitely help you to build your answer on the spot, that too naturally. Now, let me tell you, if you're getting 6 or 6.5, so don't worry. The problem is not with your English, right? If you feel like, okay, I'm getting 6, maybe my English is not good, maybe I'm bad in English. No, not at all. When you're getting 6 or 6.5 means that shows that you have a good understanding of English, you understand and you speak well. Only the problem is with your structure. So when you're getting 6 or 6.5, so there is not always because your English is bad. This is simply you don't know how to build an answer naturally, that too on the spot. Okay, so before I will tell you exactly how this code will help you, let me just give you a kind of scenario. I am sure you all are able to relate it whenever you are in the class, whenever you are in the session where the speaking is happening, and let's suppose your teacher is asking something to someone, right? And आपको लगता है अरे ये तो बहुत ही easy question है और ये तो मैं बहुत आसानी से आंसर कर सकता हूँ, I can cook stories on this question, right? लेकिन जब आपका टर्न आता है, what happens is you start with like that, right? You start with fillers, you start with pauses, awkward pauses, and you got stuck, right? So हमें उसी को avoid करना है by knowing the code strategies. This particular strategies, as I have mentioned, will help you in your part 1, part 2 and part 3. This will help you to understand how you can build your answer naturally, that too on the spot. So let's understand what is this code. Okay, so here CODE, that is what you need to understand. C stands for claim. So as soon as you hear the question from the examiner, सबसे पहला काम आपको करना है to claim or to directly answer the question, no matter what question they have asked you. Do you like this? Do you like that? Are you into cooking? Do you like shopping? Do you think there is a need of museum? Do you think English is important? Whatsoever they are asking you, the very first step you are supposed to do is to claim, directly answer the question, positively, negatively, your choice. After that, you need to focus on the O of code, that stands for opinion. Let's suppose you says, yes ma'am, I really like cooking. Now tell me why, right? Tell me the reason why do you like cooking, or maybe tell me your opinion about cooking food. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to answer why. Then D stands for develop, where you are explaining, how, when, what, or lastly, you can use E to give one personal example that will help examiner to relate to your answer very easily, right? Let's apply this code strategy in one of the question type. So what you need to do is first you need to claim. You remember CODE stands for claim. C stands for claim. So let's suppose what happened is answer the question directly. Don't make examiner wait. So बहुत सारे student मैंने देखे हैं बोलते हैं well that's an interesting question. Let me think about. Give me a moment. Don't make examiner wait. Weak answer क्या होता है? Examiner ने आपसे पूछा do you enjoy cooking? आपने बोला well actually I was young, too much, you are giving too much of introduction. When I was young, I used to do this, but I'm not doing that. Actually, this is not cup of my tea. Don't make examiner wait. आप उसको directly answer करेंगे by claiming it, yes, absolutely, I enjoy cooking. Right? It may sound bit weird कि ma'am extend कैसे होगा answer? Answer extend होगा because you have D with you, where you need to develop your answer. But do not unnecessarily add phrases, fillers, or maybe a kind of opening sentences that make examiner wait for your answer. So the very first thing that you are supposed to do is to claim. Whatever question they're asking you, directly ask or directly answer the examiner. Now, the second thing is your O. O stand for opinion or reason. So I said, yes, absolutely, I enjoy cooking. Now I'm giving reason. Because it helps me to relax after a busy day. So मुझे अच्छा लगता है because it helps me to relax myself. It helps me to, to spend some time with my kids, right? Whatsoever the reason is. Let's suppose you are not into cooking. You can give negative answer. No, ma'am, I don't like it. It, makes me feel so hot whenever I get entered to the kitchen. राइट सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर अपने आंसर में आपको वाई ऐड करना है. वंस यू विल ऐड वाई टू योर आंसर, आपका आंसर स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है. डू नॉट जस्ट आंसर, जस्ट ऐड रीजन. सो सी ओ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू कैन यूज this reason, or you can add reason by using this is mainly because, primarily because, one reason is that, I suppose it is because, or probably because. Right? Always remember, you are not only supposed to answer, you are not only supposed to claim, you need to add why. Then we have D. Now the D stands for develop. आपने बताया, okay, I like cooking because it helps me to relax. Now when, why, how, where, that's what you can add. Ask why, how, what happens, right? So आपने idea दिया, that's great. Why का आंसर दिया. Now आप उसमें how and result को add कर सकते हैं. For example, I said I enjoy cooking because it helps me to relax. So this is my C, this is my O. Now I am developing my answer by telling how, when, where. So this is when. When I am preparing food, I have to concentrate on the ingredients and that process, so I completely forget about my work. So what is happening? You are telling, okay, yes, this is what I really like. I like because of this reason. Now you are also telling that how this particular reason is helping you to relax, how you feel relaxed. And finally, you have E, where you are adding an example. So what you can do, for example, I usually cook pasta on Sunday evenings and it has become a kind of weekly ritual for me. Now every Sunday my parents, my kids ask me to cook pasta. So what happens is, when you add example, it becomes personal, natural, and of course you'll be able to develop your answer. Okay, so this is what you are supposed to do. Whenever you will be asked questions specifically in your speaking part 1, just keep this code in your mind. You are supposed to claim, you are supposed to you are supposed to add reason, then you are supposed to develop by explaining the reason, or you are going to give example. So this is how this code strategy will help you in your speaking part 1. Now what about speaking part 2? Let's get into it. Now talking about speaking part 2, right? You see that speaking part 2, everybody is aware that speaking part 2 is a long talk where you will be given 1 minute by the examiner so that you can prepare yourself, and after that you will be asked to speak for 2 long minutes. I mean, you are supposed to speak somewhere 100 to 120 seconds, right? So यहाँ पर आपको ये code कैसे help करेगा? Let's suppose the question being asked, describe a memorable trip. Okay, the question is about trip. So first, what you are going to do? Again, you are going to claim. क्लेम में क्या करेंगे? आप बताएंगे आप कहाँ गए थे घूमने, वेयर यू वेंट, राइट? सो इंट्रोड्यूस द टॉपिक. वन ट्रिप दैट इमीडिएटली कम्स टू माई माइंड is when I visited Manali, right? What I did is, he asked me talk about a trip, so मैंने अपने first line में introduce किया topic को. I have introduced the topic or the place where I have visited. फिर I have added the O. यहाँ पर अब O reason या फिर ओपिनियन के लिए नहीं है, यहाँ पर है origin, right? Give the background. Now you can talk about bit on Manali. I went there last year with 2 of my close friends. How did you go? I went there by bus. It was the very first experience. So you need to add something from the background, right? Why you decided to go with your friends? Why not with family? How did you go? How much time it took you to reach there, right? And then you can develop by adding details, action, feelings. So what you did there, what are the activities you have enjoyed there, how did you feel when you was in Manali, what kind of weather was there. Try to explain every single thing that you have experienced there, and finally you can end your answer with the E of this code, where you can tell the reflection or maybe the ending. You can say what made the trip special wasn't just the scenery but time spending with my friends. So what you did, Here the code strategy will help you, where you need to just claim, right? Then you need to add some background, then you need to develop, and finally you need to give a result. Now, talking about speaking part 3. So how this code will help you there, right? So I think this is the right phrase here to say, killing two birds with the same stone. एक ही strategy है CODE और तीनों काम हो रहे हैं हमारे, right? तो देखो speaking part 3 में how this code will help you. Let's suppose examiner asked you a question, do you think technology has improved people's life? तो again पहले मैं claim करूंगा हाँ या ना, rest मुझे लगता है that technology has improved या मुझे लगता है no, technology hasn't improved. Whatsoever I feel is I am going to first claim. Then I will add reason. Again, opinion, reason. Why? The main reason is that it has made communication access to information much easier. Then I'm explaining how people can now work remotely, communicate instantly, and access education resources regardless where they are. Right? Example, student in smaller town can attend online classes through teachers or by teachers from major cities. So what happens here is, again you are using the code strategy to answer your speaking part 3 no matter what question they have asked you. आपको पहले question को claim करना है, you have to directly answer the question, then you need to add reason, then develop or explain that reason, and finally you can add one example and finish it. So again, one strategy or one system that will help you throughout your speaking test, right? Let's suppose your teacher, your mentors have been given so many strategies to you and you are the one up confused or what to use, what not to use. Better you just keep this simple strategy yet very effective strategy in your mind known as the speaking code. This will help you in your part 1, part 2 and part 3. This will definitely help you where you can instantly, naturally cook the answer on the spot. You need not to memorize the code. You need to understand, right? So here the code is not a script. ये कोई script नहीं है, ये कोई template नहीं है. What you need to do is, you shouldn't memorize your sentences. You are just memorizing the steps, right? What is the first step? Then what is the second step? And then what is the third step? Just memorize the process, not the answer. I hope you have understood this. So before I end this session, let me remind, apart from this code strategies, apart from, developing the ideas, your fluency, your vocabulary, your grammar and your pronunciation plays an equal role. So make sure you are focusing on all 4 skills of your, right, by taking the classes, by going through all the, online resources that we are providing to you. So here 5-second brain hack क्या है, जैसे आपको question मिले, so you will have 5 seconds where first you will just claim in your mind, then you will have a reason, then you will develop an example and you can start speaking, right? Let's suppose I said, yes, I like teaching because it's given me a kind of opportunity. I have the facility to interact thousands of students in a day. For example, whenever I take my YouTube live classes, I get to know so many students, those who, love me, those who want to study, or maybe they take classes from me. So on the spot, so 5 seconds, and then you can start speaking with the help of code strategy. Okay. So if you have any question, anything in your mind, please feel free to drop in the chat box. But I am giving you one homework. आपको chat box में drop करना है a complete answer by using the code strategy. I am really looking forward to see your answers in the chat box, right? Or you can write down in the comment box. Part 1, do you enjoy reading? आपको यहाँ CODE use करना है. Describe a place or describe a person who has influenced you. CODE. Do you think young people today have too many choices? Claim, reason, develop, example. I really want, my dear students, you to use the code, speaking code, and answer all 3 questions in the comment box. ठीक है? This is what I'm looking for. Okay, so make sure you practice, and I really hope this speaking code will help you to master your speaking skills. If you find any other problem, if you find okay, something that I want you to repeat, you want me to repeat or you want me to explain, feel free to write in the chat box. But तब तक के लिए ये code को practice करना है and अपने answers को comment down करना है. तब तक के लिए bye bye, see you in the next session.